back to you with another video. Today I'm gonna be washing my car up, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to clean the tires the right way. I know a lot of people, I be hearing a lot of people say, this tire shine don't work, or this one don't last that long, or that one only lasted a day or two. That's because I know a lot of people, they don't prep the tires correctly. I know a lot of people just run through the car wash, then spray tire shine on and think it's supposed to last forever, or they just wash the vehicle up with soap and water, wash the tires with soap and water, and then throw the tire shine on and it don't last. It's just like painting a vehicle. If you don't do that body work right and lay that primer down right and all that prep work right, I don't care how expensive or good looking the paint is, it's gonna come out crap. So today I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna be using Raw tire foam, awesome. I'm gonna use a scrub brush and dishwashing liquid, and I'm gonna show you how that tire shine look and last when it's on there. So let me get the doing this vehicle, and I'll turn the camera back on and show you the results. Alright guys, before I do anything, I spray that awesome on. See how that awesome, I mean, like pound for pound, this awesome is the best stuff. I mean, for $1 you can't beat it. I done bought a lot of expensive tire cleaners and it didn't work so good. But this, you can see how it's breaking up that dirt and running down. You want to let this awesome sit for maybe a couple minutes. You can find it at any dollar store for $1. I get it from Dollar Tree. Then once this sit, you want to spray it off with a hose to get that dirt off, and then after that you're going to scrub it with dishwashing liquid and then a brush, as I showed you. And then after that you could dry the vehicle around, let it fully dry, let them tires fully get dry, and then you spray that tire foam on, and it's going to stick to it like glue, because you got all that dirt, debris, the grease off of there. So let me wash it up, and then I turn it back on. Okay guys, about to get ready and spray it down. It's all cleaned up and dry. Put it on the expressway for about 5 minutes. Make sure it's real dry, tires ashy. Okay, now the trick to this stuff is I put a little bit of hot water in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and I let this sit in a bowl for about 5 minutes. What does it do? What it does is it let the stuff in the inside mix up real good. It creates pressure, so the thing will come out nice and smooth. You ever notice you try to use this when it's cold or not warmed up, and you get down to almost, you think the end of the can, and you spraying it and it just barely coming out and bubbling, and so you throw the can away and you think that's it. But that's not true though. That's why you put it in the hot water. It creates that, it almost like pressurized the can, because the stuff is pressurized in here. So when you get down to almost the end of the can, you think you're at the end of the can, but you shake it and you still can hear stuff in there. That's because all the air going out the can, the compressed air going out the can, and you just left with that stuff. So anytime I use it, if you put it in the hot water and it heat the stuff up, I mean, I use it to the can is completely empty and I have no problem. So you might want to try that. So yeah, let me spray it on there. I mean, you don't got to spray it on there too heavy. This stuff lasts me a long time because I don't spray it on there too heavy. I just spray it on there. And then what I do is, sometimes you don't get the bottom. After you spray it, you pull the cuff forward just a little bit so you can get the bottom of the tire, then hit it with the spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this stuff sit, spray the rest of the tires and let this stuff sit, and I'll show you the outcome of it. All right. Okay guys, you see, if I just pulled the car forward, I sprayed the stuff on it, but I just pulled the car forward, and the reason why I pulled the car forward a little bit, because this right here. See how you don't get that little bit when it's on the ground? So that's all you gotta do, to pull it forward a little bit, and then hit that part with a little bit of it. And then let the stuff sit. And that's it. I'm gonna come back to you and I'm gonna show you the end results on after everything dry. I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour or so, 2 hours, and I'm gonna come back and show you the end results. Make sure all the foam dissolved and what it's gonna do. Then I'll show you the end results. Alrighty. Alright guys, this is the end result. And if you do, like I said, with the putting the Armor All in the hot water, do you do that? If you prep your tires right, clean it with the Awesome, scrub it down with the dishwashing liquid and water, and this will be your end results. And it lasts. I mean, as long as it's like no hard rain or you ain't going through puddles, it's normal weather, this stuff should last you for maybe a week and a half, depending on how much you drive. But this is the end result. And this is the Armor All. Now I hear a lot of people say, oh, it don't work. It's a crappy product. It's, like I said, it's all in the prep work. You clean your tire, strip all the grease, grime, and dirt off of it. This would be your end results. All right, thanks for watching this video. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit that notification bell for future videos. And stay tuned. Later.